You got some beneficiaries in your family, they never even get the money because they don't know about it. Stewart Welch joining us now to explain this. Life insurance nightmares we're talking about, right?
Well,
so this scenario can actually happen, and it's quite common. Talk about it.
Well, actually, there was a 60 Minutes investigative report on it last year, and the 25 insurance companies came together and actually had a $7.5 billion settlement around this. And what's actually happening is a lot of times they're not paying the claims. So, and you go, is this possible? And the answer is that it is. And here's why. You remember how you get an app on your phone and there's all the disclosure and it's 20 pages of disclosure and you just spin through it and get to the I agree?
That's right.
Well, with an insurance company, when you sign up for that policy, there's a disclosure and it's many pages and virtually nobody reads it. But in there, what it says is, in order for you to receive the death benefit, you must submit a death claim form.
So somebody who's a beneficiary must submit it. Right?
Yeah. So, or somebody has to submit it. It could be the executor of the state, but a lot of times people don't know about it. So there's the rub. So people don't know. And I think one of the things that was horrifying in this investigative report is they had a case where they had a policyholder that had both an annuity that the insurance company was paying out on, and they had a life policy, which obviously they weren't. So they went through, and you can go to the Social Security death file, and they knew that the person was deceased, so they stopped paying the annuity claim, but they stamped the file deceased and never paid the life insurance claim.
That is not right.
That is not right. That is not right.
And I know there was another incident where somebody's they're getting the automatic payments out of their checking account. Well, they pass away, the family closes out the checking account.
And what happens is they're dead, but the policy lapses, and so the insurance company doesn't pay the claim. They even had one where they had a lot of cash value, and they let the insurance company let the cash value go down to zero.
It's just not right.
So they got the savings and that. So what do you need to do?
Yeah, so how do we protect ourselves then?
So listen, this is really important. I sit down with clients every day, and or prospective clients, and one of the things I ask them is about their life insurance. It's amazing how many don't know. I can't really remember that. So here's what you do. The first thing is you need to get with your spouse, get with your parents, in your own, make a list of all of your policies, make sure your parents, what policies do you have? Help them while they're alive and they can still remember something. If somebody dies, you need to go to their bank account and see if there are any auto drafts. You need to go to their bills paid file, see if there's anything that looks like an insurance company. You need to track it down. And Mike, I want to be sure, a lot of employers provide group health. I was talking to somebody the other day that their group health lasted beyond when they retired. So you want to look for that as well.
Okay, guard yourself against that because we don't want somebody to take advantage of you. I mean, that'd be the worst things. And I think the reason people don't talk about it much beforehand is because they don't like to talk about death.
They don't talk about death.
So it's uncomfortable, but you have to do it.
That's right, and a lot of people just forget about these, and it's big money.
All right, Stewart Welch from the Welch Group. Thank you so much.